Don't come for me, okay? But I'm about to do this video real quick because I do have my hairstylist waiting. But I ordered some hair blah, blah, blah. Long story short, I ordered some hair from Amazon. I just want to show y'all how it came in before I get it installed. I was literally in the middle of her doing it when it got delivered. I left, picked it up, got it, back at the salon. So this is what it looks like, the package that it came in. It's actually really, really cute. It's from ELEE'S hair company, and then inside the bag is literally just the 3 bundles, the closure, and the thing. So I will show you what it looks like. Blah, blah. I'm speaking so fast because I want to hurry up and get to her because I am holding her up. But as soon as I get it installed, I'll be back. I won't look crazy no more, and I will show y'all what the style looks like. Okay, so I'll be back in a second. Okay, y'all, so clearly it took longer than a second for her to do my hair, but look at it. Look at it. It was worth the wait. It was worth the wait. And you didn't even wait. You wouldn't even wait. So, but yeah, this is what the final outcome of me looking like a penis came out to look like. I ordered this hair on Amazon again from ELEE'S hair company. When it came to me, it came in the regular white and blue Amazon bag, but the actual products came in this really, really cute bag. Open it up. It came with the closure. Yes, I got this is my first closure ever, y'all. So it came with the closure, 3 bundles, and they actually did send a wig cap. So this is cool, but this ain't my color, y'all. So I didn't use it. But the hair is really, really good, y'all. So I ordered a 10-inch closure, 12, 14, and 16-inch bundles. My stylist only put in the 16 and half of the 14-inch bundles, so I still have a good majority of the 14-inch bundles left, the 14-inch bundle left, as well as the whole 12-inch bundles. So, the 12-inch bundle. So this is how the bundle looks when it first comes. This is the full bundle. It's thick, y'all. I do wish I ordered some longer lengths now that it's installed. The 16 comes, sorry, I'm gonna put all the hair in front. So the 16 comes, you know, where a regular 16-inch bundle comes right below the titties. So it looks really nice. I think it looks really, really nice. I'm not mad at it, and I am moving to Houston where it's hot, so I didn't really want long hair right now, but I love it. It's so soft. The only thing I will say is that the wefts are thick. Like when my hairdresser was going through and sewing it in, I saw her struggling a little bit. Like the little needles don't have no little, the thin use, don't use those. Use the thicker use to if you're doing this hair. So that's one thing about the hair that I was just like, eh. Another thing that kind of threw me off a little bit was the actual ombre of the hair. I feel like it could have been, of course, when you're explaining something and you're trying to tell somebody something, it looks really good. So it's really hard to explain it. But I don't know. I think the ombre could have been done a little bit better with the hair. But I'm not complaining too much. I think it looks amazing. I love the color. Mind you, this is only day one. This is only day one. So, of course, I'm going to have an amazing review about it. But I will say that this is only day one, but the closure was washed. So, of course, she bleached the closure, bleached the knots or whatever. So she had to wash out the hair, and the hair is still really, really good. So I have a good feeling about this hair, y'all. But I just wanted to give you a short little unboxing / initial review for this hair. It's ELEE'S hair company on Amazon again. I think in total I paid $62.99 or something like that for the 3 bundles and closures. So it's really, really affordable, and it comes colored. Like, come correct or don't come at all, okay? And this hair came correct. So if you want to know more about the hair, I'm gonna do another review either in 2 weeks or in a month, depending on how good the hair is. If the hair is bad, it'll be 2 weeks. If it's not so bad, it'll probably be a month and a half. But I just want to do this really quick review for you guys and let you know how I like the hair. So if you like this and like reviews like this, if you want to see more Amazon hair reviews, give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions, oh, the person who did my hair, I actually went to high school and middle school with her. I've known her since 6th grade, and I think it's so important to support those that you grew up with. So if you're in the New Jersey area, New Jersey, New York area, her name is Tatiana. She goes by The Perfectionist on Instagram. I'll put in her little screenshot right here. I'll also, ooh, that brings me back to another thing. This hair curls so beautifully. I'm going to put the little insert of the video in that she recorded right when she was finished. Ooh, child, this hair is nice. This hair is nice, y'all. So if you have any other questions, just let me know. Comment down in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to join the TAJMAHOLICS yet, what you doing? Do that. Hello. Have you done it yet? Thank you. I love you. Welcome to the family. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.